Okay, the last lesson we have stopped at these notes. Okay, and we have talked about expense payable. So I'll do a quick review. Okay, expense payable. Okay, what is expense payable? Okay, you have used it already, but you have not paid for it yet. Okay, so expense incurred but not paid. Okay, expense incurred but not paid. Okay, so you have used it, you have not paid. Okay, so are you supposed to pay? Yes. Okay, so to you it is a current liability. Okay, so if this is a current liability, then this is a credit. Okay, then okay, same thing. How this works is the question will give you up to 4 clues. Okay, so what I will have is always the beginning balance. Okay, this one depending on the question, have or don't have. Okay, not all question will have beginning balance. Okay, this one is have or don't have. Okay, then I will have cash at bank. Okay, how do I know something is a cash at bank? When I see the word paid, because for this topic you are doing expenses you have to pay. Okay, so if I see paid or I see by check, okay, cash in hand, okay, I know the double entry will be for my cash at bank. Okay, I will have my ending balance. Okay, and I will have my income summary. Okay, how do I know something is an income summary? Okay, if they say it's incurred for that year. Okay, or I say the word annual. Okay, then it will be income summary. Okay, now ending balance I just put accordingly. Okay, but beginning balance I need to flip, I need to reverse. Okay, because at the end of last year you have put it in, at the start of this year you need to take it out, okay, to pay for it. Okay, so the question will always give you these 4 entries, okay, or up to these 3 entry, 1 2 3. Okay, it's like a jigsaw puzzle. Okay, give you 4 out of these 4 they will give you 3 clues. You are supposed to find the last one yourself. Okay, so let's today we are going to go through prepaid expense. Okay, what is prepaid expense? Prepaid expense means I pay first, okay, but I've not used it yet. Okay, so if you pay first, you have not used it yet, is that your money? Okay, that is still your money. Okay, it belongs to you. Okay, so that would be a assets. Okay, that would be an assets. So if this is a assets, this will be my debit balance. Okay, so according to the accrual basis of accounting, okay, I will only recognize if I've used it, regardless whether I've paid for it or not. So since you have not used it, should you recognize it in this period? No, should not. Okay, so I need to take this out, okay, at the end of the year. Okay, so now let's look at one question. Okay, Tom Co. financial year ends on 31st December 2016. Tom paid. I see the word paid. I know cash at bank. Okay, paid 50,000 for office rent in 2016. Of the sum, 3,000 was meant for rent in January 2017. So I've not used it yet, but I've already paid. Okay, so this one is my prepaid expenses. At the end of the year, I've paid the extra of $3,000. Okay, so now how should we do the double entry? Okay, the journal entries. Okay, so let's go through step by step. The financial year ends is 31st December. Tom paid 50,000, okay, in 2016. So as of year end December 31st, I've paid for rental expense. Okay, we always follow the question. Okay, so they say journal entries to account for rental expense. So I'll use rental expense. Debit rental expense, credit cash at bank. I've paid. 50,000. Okay, of the sum, 3,000 was meant for rent in January. Okay, this is my prepaid. Okay, at the end of the year, I still have 3,000 that I pay extra. So this is my ending balance. Ending balance, I just put in accordingly. This is a debit, so I put debit. Prepaid rental expense. Okay, credit rental expense, $3,000. Okay, so you ask yourself, okay, the story. Okay, I pay 50,000, 3,000 I pay extra. So actually, how much did I really use this year? I only used 47,000. So how much is the amount I incurred this year? Okay, the amount I incurred this year will be my income summary. So debit income summary, credit rental expense. Okay, 47000, 47000. Okay, using my shortcut method. Okay, circle rental expense, circle rental expense. Okay, which side short of money? This side. Okay, this must be my rental expense. So my jigsaw puzzle, the remaining things that is missing is my income summary. Okay, so putting into my statement of financial performance. Okay, Tom Cole. Okay, performance, use my income summary. Okay, so less expenses, rental expense. Okay, income summary 47,000. Okay, statement of financial position. Okay, financial position means as of this date. Okay, as at 31st December. Okay, what is the assets or liabilities or OE? Okay, so as of this date, okay, I have a debit. Okay, my assets, current assets. Okay, prepaid rental expense. Okay, it's 3,000. Okay, finish. Okay, next question. Okay, so this question, now I have a prepaid rental 3,000. This is my beginning. Okay, prepaid means debit. This is a current assets. Okay, in 2017, the annual amount is 40400. Annual amount means the amount incurred. So this is my income summary. Tom paid 50,000. Paid. So cash at bank. Okay. Now do your journal entries. So out of the 4, you have 3. So what is it that you're missing? You're missing the ending balance. So you're trying to find out what's the ending balance. Okay, start from 2017, January 1st. Okay, this is my beginning. It's a debit. Beginning, I always need to flip. So if it's a debit, I need to credit this. Prepaid rent. Okay, rental expense. Debit rental expense, credit prepaid rent, 3,000. Okay, the annual amount incurred is 40400. Okay, income summary should be at the last entry. Okay, so my income summary would be debit, income summary, credit, rental, expense 40400, 40400. Okay, my cash at bank, I paid credit cash at bank, debit rental expense. This would be at the end of the year. So debit rental expense, credit cash at bank 50000, 50000. Okay, so using my trick, okay, circle all your rental expense. Okay, which side is short of money? Okay, you check. Here got 53,000. This is only 40400. So I take 53000 minus 40400. Okay, this side short. Short how much? 12600. Okay, if this side is short, this will be my rental expense. Then you ask yourself, expenses, what can be on the debit side? Is it expense payable or is it prepaid expense? Okay, debit side is a asset, so it must be my prepaid rent. So my amount is 12600. Okay, so if you think about it in a story form, you think I've paid extra 3,000. Okay, then this year I've paid another 50,000. So 3,000 plus 50,000, totally in total you have paid 53000. But the rent you incurred, you have used, is only 40400 minus 40400. Okay, how much extra did you pay? My ending balance, my extra amount is 12600. Okay, so now let's do again the performance and position. Okay, can you please write the title by yourself? I'm not going to write. Okay, so performance and position. Performance, I'll take the income summary amount 40400. Position, I'll take the ending balance amount. Okay, ending balance amount. Okay, so ending balance will be this one. Okay, 12600. Okay, for ending balance, you got to write, yeah? It's an asset. So current assets, okay, my prepaid rent, 12600. Okay, so at the end of the year, in conclusion, okay, if it's a prepaid expense, okay, at the end of the year, I just put accordingly. This is a debit. So debit prepaid expense, credit your expense. Okay, but if it's at the start of the next year, okay, it is a reversal. You got to debit your expense, credit prepaid expense. Okay, so effect of non-adjustment, if you did not do adjustment for this, okay, you have a prepaid expense, okay, so you pay extra, okay, and you did not adjust for it, your expenses will be too much, overstated, then your profit will be too little, understated. You did not do adjustment for it, you don't have this current assets, that it will be understated, too little. Okay, so if you correctly adjusted, then what is the effect? It is accordingly here. Okay, if you have no question, okay, up to this point, okay, can you turn to page 83 of your workbook, okay, and do exercise 5, question 1 and 2, okay, and then submit into the Google Drive to let me see whether you're really understand already or not. Okay, if there's any question, I'll go through these 2 questions. Okay, that's all.